Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zero-calorie coffee. To begin, the foundation of any zero-calorie coffee is plain black coffee. A standard 8-ounce cup of black coffee contains fewer than 5 calories, making it an excellent base. Ensure you use fresh, high-quality coffee beans and brew it to your liking, whether that's a drip, pour-over, or French press method. Remember, the key is to avoid any caloric additions like milk, cream, or traditional sugar from the start. Once you have your black coffee, you might want to add some sweetness without the calories. There are several excellent zero-calorie sweetener options available. You can opt for artificial sweeteners such as sucralose, aspartame, or saccharin. Alternatively, natural zero-calorie choices like stevia and monk fruit extract are also popular. Start by adding a small amount, perhaps 1 packet, which typically equals 2 teaspoons of sugar, and adjust to your personal taste for perfect sweetness. Beyond just sweetness, you can infuse your zero-calorie coffee with delightful flavors. Spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or a pinch of cardamom can add warmth and complexity without any calories. A few drops of calorie-free extracts, such as vanilla or almond, also work wonderfully. For a subtle citrus note, try brewing your coffee with a small slice of orange peel. If you use sugar-free syrups, always double-check the label to ensure they are truly calorie-free and fit your goals. To elevate your zero-calorie coffee experience even further, consider these advanced tips. Experiment with various coffee bean roasts. A light roast might offer fruity notes, while a dark roast provides a bolder flavor. Always use filtered water, as it significantly improves the overall taste of your brew. Trying a cold brew method can yield a naturally smoother, less acidic coffee that many find enjoyable. Embrace these methods to create a truly satisfying and completely guilt-free zero-calorie beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.